You're watching how Leap. Let's change your Instagram grid layout. You cannot rearrange posts after they are posted, but you can plan your grid before posting. Use a third-party planning app like Preview or Planoly. Download one from your app store. In the app, you can upload photos, arrange them in your desired grid pattern like checkerboard or rows, and see a preview. Once you're happy with the layout, the app will tell you the order to post in. You then post to Instagram in that exact order to achieve the layout. To change the look of your existing grid, you would need to archive old posts. Go to your profile, tap the post, tap the three dots, and select Archive. This removes it from your grid. Without deleting it, you can then repost photos in a new order. But this will notify your followers again. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.